green, red, yellow, purple, and pink. In a riot of colors, plants surround us. Tall trees and low hedges, climbers, mosses, weeds and flowers, they add color and beauty to the environment we live in. But plants do more than make our surroundings pleasant. They provide shelter for some animals. What do plants also provide? Yes, food. These tall trees give us much needed shade on a hot sunny day. So, as you can see, plants are important to animals and human beings. When you look out of the window of a moving bus or the window of your classroom, you can see many different kinds of plants. Where do these plants grow? Well, some plants grow in pots, and some plants grow on the ground. Yet other plants grow on the fence. Do you know that plants can grow in water? When you look at plants, you can tell that many do not look alike. Let's take a look at some plants to see how different they are from each other. Some plants have colorful flowers, like the hibiscus. How many colors can you see? What are they? Can you think of other plants with colorful flowers? What about the ixora, the frangipani, and the rose? Grasses, like these plants, have flowers too. But you may not have noticed the flowers because they are small and usually not colorful. Some plants have colorful leaves instead of colorful flowers. Look at these. Different plants have leaves of different shapes. Some plants have long and narrow leaves like the sugarcane plant. Some have broad leaves like the banana plant. Apart from the leaves, the shape of the fruits can look very different. Some plants have fruits that are long and narrow, like the flame of the forest. This is the cannonball tree. It is known as the cannonball tree because its fruit is round and big like a cannonball. How would you describe these shapes? Let's now look at trees. Do trees have different shapes? Plants also come in different sizes. Some are very small, like the moss that grows on this tree trunk or the grass beneath your feet. This is the balsam plant. It has a soft and non-woody stem. The hibiscus plant is bigger than the balsam. It has a hard and woody stem. The stem is covered by a bark. A tree is a very big plant. It has a strong stem to support it. The branches of this tall tree give shade to a wide area. Trees too have woody stems. The barks of some trees are rough, while some are smooth. This is the yellow flame tree, and this is the rain tree. But these are not the tallest trees in Singapore. Here at the Bukit Timah Nature Reserve, you can find some of the tallest and biggest trees in Singapore. Wow, what a tall tree! This tree has a very thick trunk. See how big the tree is compared to the boy? Not all plants grow from the ground. Some grow in other places. Plants like the bird's nest fern and the staghorn fern perch on the branches of tall trees. Some plants grow on the trunks of tall trees. They use their stems to cling on to the trunks of the trees. See how this woody stem twists its way up this tree. The dragon's scale also uses its stem to cling on to the tree trunk. Some plants prefer shady and damp places like rotting logs. There are plants which like wet places. Some grow on the water edge, while others grow in water. Mangrove trees are found near the sea. Yet other plants grow in the most unusual places. Can you think of other unusual places where plants can grow? If you put a little water on a piece of bread and leave it in a dark place, this is what will happen. Dark patches will soon appear. These dark patches are mold, very tiny plants which grow on rotting food. We have seen that there are many different kinds of plants around us. They are different in color, shape, and size. Some grow on land, and some grow near or in water. They grow in many different places. Some very unusual. The next time you go out into a garden or a park, take a good look at the plants around you. You will notice that each plant is different from other plants in one way or another. Each plant is special.